Okay, first AC call of the season. First AC call of the season. No, échale aquí, amigo. First AC call. Let's see. Okay. Oh, see. First AC call of the season. I told him to turn them both on and then. Oh man. Y tenemos que chequear si está prendido el otro también. I told him to turn them both on for the thermostat. We're gonna check to see that they're both. Well, I don't know about both. I just care about the one upstairs. That they're both physically on. Oh, ese no está prendido.
Nada más este está prendido.
Yeah, this one's on, but the one upstairs. This one has to be the one upstairs.
Pero este parece que está bien. Ya.
This one's okay. Let's go upstairs. Oh, give him a minute. A ver que lo prendan. Yeah, but this one didn't turn on. And usually you gotta feel hot air. So this one's throwing out hot air. So obviously we're okay. This one didn't even turn on at all. Hopefully it's a simple wiring issue. We'll check right now. Let's go upstairs. Okay. We'll go back upstairs. So obviously it's not receiving signal down here to even turn on. So we'll go upstairs and then we'll check what's going on. Yeah, leave that one here. Take the meter. The thermostat. Okay, calling for heat. Oh man, we're gonna have to go upstairs. Okay, 1 second. Oh man, I can't fit. Hay una luz, hay un light switch. There's gotta be a light here. Hay una luz aquí. Oh, right here. Okay. Mira, anda prendiendo, ¿no?
Está prendido.
So obviously there's so obviously the blower is blowing, right? El blower está prendido.
Yeah.
Quiera chequear afuera si anda recibiendo o abre la puerta aquí.
Primero que abre aquí, a ver si estamos aquí.
Sí.
Okay.
So the AC's turned on. This is how you can check real quick if the compressor is pumping. Oh, it sounds like it is pumping. Hold on, it is pumping. Hold on. I feel it pumping. Mira, Don. Ve chequea afuera si anda prendido.
Oh, ya está caliente y está frío.
Right?
Yeah. A lo mejor tendría que tardar un rato.
Next step will be to check the filter, right? Or no? What can we check real quick to see if we're getting cold air? Yeah, this one is cold. This is cold. Quítale el filtro, Don. Just take it off. We're just gonna take off the filter. Yeah, I put this furnace in about a year ago, so technically I personally did all the wiring. So I'm pretty confident we're okay in that aspect. But she did say that she's not getting any airflow. But this right here is cold. Let me see if I can get you guys a temperature here. Chequea la primera ventilador.
Oye, tiene 2 litros.
Quita ese también. But like the lady said, it's not cold enough. It's 70, 72, 70. ¿Sabes cómo quitar este?
¿Cómo quitar el de este?
Sí.
Nada más se baja la tapa.
Yep, take it out. Let's take a measurement. We're gonna just take this cap out because technically this is the closest that we can get to the coil.
Oh, ¿sabes qué?
No, you don't need to do that. Quítalo por abajo. Yeah. Yeah, this is cold, man. I don't know what the issue is. This is cold. This is definitely cold. Look. That's strange. That's weird. Yeah. This thing might be clogged up.
No se mira tan sucio.
Yeah, it is clogged up. This is the number one issue right here.
Bueno, déjalo trabajar ahí.
Yeah. Mira, pon la puerta para atrás. Let's leave this out for right now, and let's see if the temperature goes down. This is the most common service issue right here, the filters. The most common.
¿Ese también lo cerramos?
Cérralo. Let's check the registers in the ceiling to make sure that they're not clogged or obstructed.
Voy a cerrar.
Okay, alright. Oh man, this is...
Vamos a ver la ventila.
Downstairs, let's go measure the temperature downstairs.
Me voy a llevar este para ver si avienta ya todo el mundo del otro.
Yep. O cierra la mochila, ya llévate la mochila, porque sabes que creo que todo está bien y al fin del día va a ser el filtro. Oh, esta gente como me pica a veces con estas cosas. This is the most common one. This is why usually before you go to any service call, you gotta let them know that A, this is a diagnosis fee. B, it's gonna be minimum X amount because of stuff like this. Okay. Yeah, because me personally, I changed this furnace and I did the wiring here. Let's see what the temperature is here. 73 degrees right now. Let's find una ventila way and let's check the temperature. But it feels nice and cool actually. Okay, let's see. Bathroom should have a return, so technically this is a supply. Oh man, these guys. Why did they do this to me? Why do they do this to me, guys? Let me tell the lady get a filter and let's get out of here. ¿Se ve bien, no?
Sí, ya está 65 aquí.
No, that's the temperature we set it at. La temperatura está 72.
72 está
Ya
todavía.
bajó 1 grado.
Oh, pero no porque necesitas el filtro.
Oh, habla a la señora.
Vamos a esperar a ver si...
Yeah, or let it drop down another degree.
Espérate, deja ver si baja. Y bajo lo que necesitas.
Well, actually, I'm gonna use this bathroom right now. ¿Sí viene?
Ya viene.
Alright guys, we're just gonna give it a few here just to make sure that we're technically okay. That's why I like this guy right here. You see that? Yep. That way you can visually let them see that we're good. But you gotta give it some time. Oh, how's it going? Don't mind us. 1 second, we'll be out of here. Oh, go ahead. Let her squish in. Oh. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. We're gonna probably chill for like 10 minutes just to make sure that nothing else happens. Alright guys, we're technically out of here. Something like that's the most common service call that you can get. And I noticed that before the guy even plugged in gauges, before he started opening up the board, before he started doing any of that, we got lucky that they have a humidifier in there. So technically, when there is a humidifier in there, you can just take the humidifier off and you can just test right away. And if it's blowing 60 degrees, technically you're fine. The only other thing that I did tell them is that technically it's the attic, so it takes a while to cool it down because the attic is hot. And I told them that if they wanted like because the filter that they had was by 4 inches, so it's like a thick filter. So I told them worst case, get a thinner one. You get a bit better airflow, and their house isn't that dirty, so they don't really need a 4-inch filter. And honestly, I just charged them just enough just to give this guy some money, because technically they're my customers. But that was technically the first service call of the season, and it was pretty much simple. There's not always that simple, man, but I'll show you guys every service call that I get. And yeah, thanks for watching, man. But this is technically the most simple service call there is, and I want to say a good 35% of the time that's the problem. If in case you're a contractor, man, this is why you got to charge a diagnosis fee or something like that. Normally, if it's not a customer, I try to get like $250 off, something like that, you know, and then just tell them, hey, it's a clog air issue or something like that, you know. And then just swap it out and then get out of there. But either way, hey, thanks for watching. It's AC season, and I got a lot of these videos coming, man. Thanks, guys.